Dear kids, hope you all are very well. So on the previous class, we have discussed about missing letters. I mean, this were the 10 missing letters for you. Now for today's class we will go through 10 more words. Okay, so before going to the class, I would like to clear it out that please don't take it too much difficult or too much seriously. I know that you are quite okay with every topic, so I would like to request you to have your patience and just have your concentration for little bit. Okay, you are quite expert and you are talent enough to grab everything, so please don't be panicked about exam. It's nothing before you. Okay, it's nothing before your talent. So for today we will go through some more new words, and these words are also very common, and you are dealing with this words I think every day, and in the on the every page of your EF2 book these words are somehow cyclingly it's it comes before your eyes. So these are not the new words for you at all. These are the very common words. Okay, so as I told you that missing letters, that means vowels are also kind of letters. So we will basically play with the vowels. That means the 5 vowels, they are A, E, I, O, U. Just keep it in your mind that you have to play with the missing vowels. Okay, so the vowel, one of the vowels will be missed, and you have to put the correct vowel in the correct place. Okay, so this is about missing letters. A letter will be missed, it goes missing, and you have to find it out. Okay, you can try every possible vowels like A, E, I, O, U by turn, but you have to put the correct one. Okay, you can put every vowel just for trial, that you can try that if I put A, how does it make? If I put E, what's the meaning becomes? If I put U, does it make any sense? Okay, so if I put E, will it be a meaningful one? So in this way you can put every possible vowels, but please finally you have to place the correct vowel. Okay, so I think it's all about practice. As far the more you practice, the more you become expert in that field. So without taking much time, let us see what are the next 10 words for you, and what are the missing letters gonna be. Okay, so let's have it. Look at the board first. This is the missing letter part 2. Why it is part 2, babies? Why it is part 2? Because part 1 is already been given on the previous class, so it's now part 2, and in this part we will have 10 more words. Okay, see the first word is C-T. It's very familiar and very common one, C-T. C-T, there are so many words. You can make so many words with C and T, just putting a vowel in the middle. Okay, see, if I put a cat, it's a kind of animal, and cat is very familiar. It's very common and normal thing. Let us try something new. Okay, if I put O, it becomes cot. Cot means a kind of bed that is basically made for babies. Okay, when you were the babies, I think you also used cot. But if I put here U, it becomes cut. Cut means to cut down something. Okay, to see something. That means cut means a verb. So when I put U, it becomes cut. It's a verb. When I put O, it becomes a noun. Okay, so no matter whether it is noun or it is a verb, just make it meaningful one. Okay, now coming to the next, if I put E, it becomes net. Do we know what net is? Of course we know. But see, again we can make the other word N-O-T, not. Isn't it possible? Not N-O-T? Of course it's also possible, because not carries a specific meaning. Not means no. Okay, so if you put O here, it will also be the right one, because I know that not carries a meaning. You don't need to just follow the words from the book. If you create some more meaningful words, remember it should be meaningful. You can make it your own, but it should carry a meaning. Okay, it's all about meaning, it's all about its meaning. Okay, so if you put O, it's also right, because not means no. It has a meaning, specific meaning. So then if I put here I limp, I have never seen such word. If I put you, it becomes lump, I have never heard this. But if you put A, it becomes lamp. Lamp means a kind of what? Light. Okay, that's usually it can be seen in the rural areas or our villages. So hardly in these days we can use lamp. Okay, the use of lamp is very rare nowadays. So it's lamp, it's a kind of light. Okay, when the electricity is off, then the use of lamp is really very effective. So then coming to the dash X. Now if you put O, it becomes ox. What is ox, babies? What is ox? Can you remember what is ox? Ox, oxen, bull. You read it numerous times, ox. Even in the jumble words we will have this word ox. Okay, now pigs and D. Pigs and D. If I put I, is it a meaningful one? Pint? No. If I put you, punt? No. But if it could be a meaningful one if there's a O, P-O-U-N-D, pound. Okay, but there's no O actually. If I put a pand, no, it can't be a meaningful one. But if I put O here, it becomes pond. Pond means earlier see in our word meaning we will have this pond. Pond means what? Pond means lake or a water hole. Okay, that means a shortage stock of water in a hole. So this is pond. Pond is also pond also can be seen in our villages. Children and people have their shower in the pond. They swim in the pond. Okay, babies. So now so pond becomes a meaningful what? A meaningful one. So I can put here O. Okay. Now coming to the next one, it is P dash G E. Look at the word first, I mean letters first. There's a given written. Then you think about it. What can you place here? To make it a meaningful one, what can I place here? If I put O, does it make any sense? If I put I, no, I have never seen. But if I put A here, it becomes page. Page means see, when Miss asks you to go through that page number 27, that means I would like to have your attention on the sheet of paper. Okay, that means page means the sheet of paper. Okay, so have we found a meaningful word with page? Yes, we have found a meaningful word with page. Now coming to the next one, P-L-D-S-N-T. If I put I, it's plint. No, it can't be possible. If I put you, it's plant, but yes, it pronounces like plant, but actually it's plant. So with you we can never have any meaningful word. So but if I put A, it becomes plant. Plant means very tiny, I mean a kind of herb or the baby trees. Okay, so now coming to the next one, it is P dash C T U R E. Have you ever seen any word with the formation of such letters? Okay, remember, have you ever seen such word? Okay, let me help you. It's picture. Okay, look at the picture. Draw a picture. Can you see the picture? What can you see in the picture? So all that picture is P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Okay. So in this way you can make so many words. Okay. So it is P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Now it becomes the meaningful one. Okay, babies. Now coming to the next, it's N dash M E. N dash M E. If I put O, no, I think it's not a meaningful one. Nom. What's the meaning of nom? Nothing. Then if I put neme, no, I have never seen such word neme. But if I put U, neom, no. If I put I, nine, no, it's not a meaningful word at all. But if I put A, it becomes name. N-A-M-E, name. Name means what? Name is a thing that means you are being addressed with it. Okay, like you name, like Mrs. name is the name of your English teacher is Priyanka means, so Priyanka is her name. Because you call her by this name, she is being addressed by this thing. I mean this name Priyanka, like Tiana, Tudit, Iftikhar, Omkita, Raida. So these all are the actually names. Okay. Now coming to the next one, K dash T E. If I put O, it becomes coat, and I don't know what's the meaning of coat. Okay, I hope you also don't know. If I put E, it becomes Kate. Kate, it can be a name, but it's not a meaningful one. Okay. If I put U, cute, we have seen such word like C-U-T-E, cute. It means beautiful. Okay. But we have never seen such a word K-U-T-E, cute. Okay, babies. So I can write U here. We better write, if I put I here, it becomes K-I-T-E. Okay. So it becomes K-I-T-E. K-I-T-E, that means kite. Kite means, see you, I fly kites, or I can make fly, I can fly kites, I can make kites. That means kite is also a playing tool. Okay. It's basically being played with the ear or in the ear. Okay. We can fly kite. So these are the words. Let us have a look on the words once again. So it is the missing letter part 2. For this part 2 we have arranged 10 more, rest of the 10 words here. So starting with the word C-O-T, cot, or C-U-T, cut. Anyone you can like, you can put it. I think cot, you have already learned about cot, so you better go with cot. Okay. Then N-T, if I put E, it becomes a meaningful one, net. If I put O, it's also correct. That becomes not. Then L-M-P, L-A-M-P, it becomes lamp. So lamp is a kind of light that is used in the rural areas. Dash X, if I put O, it becomes ox. Okay, it becomes ox. Ox is a kind of animal. Bull, ox, ox, bull. We know that. P dash N-D, if I put O, it becomes pond. Okay, what is pond? Pond is a small storage of water, or a pond is a water hole, a hole where storage of water is being stocked. Okay, or you can write lake also. Then P dash G-E, if I put here A, it becomes page. What does it become? It becomes page. Page means a sheet of paper. Okay, that means it is the meaningful one. P-L dash N-T, what is it? It becomes P-L-A-N-T, it becomes plant. Plant means the tiny baby trees, that means the herbs types. Okay, the new newly grown plants from the sheets. Then P-C-T-U-R-E, if I put any other vowels except I, it doesn't make any sense. So that's why if I put I, then it becomes picture. Picture means scenery. Okay, so it's also a meaningful one, so we can write picture, so it becomes a meaningful word. Then coming to the next, it's N dash M-E. If I put here A, it becomes name. Name, see, we all have a specific name. Name means the thing that we are being addressed with. Okay, we are being called with. Okay, babies. Now the last one is K dash T-E. K, this, T, E. If I put any other vowels, it doesn't make any sense. That's why I put I. And kite is a very common word for us. Kite is a playing tool. Okay, that is very familiar to you. So these were the some of the missing letters for today's class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please note it down and okay, and practice writing the missing letters. That's all for today. Hope we will meet very soon. Till then, stay well and take care, babies.